Hey guys, today's tutorial is this high puff on my natural hair with some extension. You will need some water, diamond brush, some comb, and some scrunchie, and your big hole gel. I used the green one because it was best for my hair, and a red tail comb, and I'm just parting my hair. I will do my hair in section because I comb my hair previously in section, so it will be easier for me. So you can do in two section. It depends on your hair length. And you see how my hair is getting long, like, but this shrinkage is good. You see the shrinkage is real. It's really real. Like I said, if you want the slickness, slick bun or anything like that with gel, you will need to add like a lot of gel. I did like moderate in the gel because I plan on wearing this hairstyle for like a day or a couple of hours, so it didn't matter for me to have a lot of gel on my hair. But if I plan to wear it for 1 week, I will do anything necessary for my hair to stay, slick. And you just want to make sure that your hair is detangled, like fully detangled, before you apply the gel and the water, so it will be like easier for you to slick down your hair. This step is really optional. You can use like this got to be freeze spray or any kind of spray for your hair to hold in place. And I usually do this when I plan on wearing the hairstyle for 1 week, but this time I only did it and then I left it like I put the satin scarf and left my hair like that for like an hour before I started to crochet the hair. Usually I left it for like 3 hours or 4 hours so my hair can really get slick in the slick state, if you know what I mean. So this is my leftover hair. It is not the one big color because everywhere I look, the one big color is sold, like sold. So I have some leftover hair. It is the one color one, but it will do the job. And I have some couple left. I thought I was like only had like 5 pieces left, but I have like couple left. So it is like a pretty good job to do my high puff with that. And the hair is really like one piece of hair is usually big. So I crochet the hair around my little ponytail. I don't crochet my actual hair because the hair is already big, so it will really blend it. You will not see my hair once all that the high puff. I will be making the high puff. You will not be seeing all that because the hair is full, and it will be okay. So, lastly, I use this satin scarf to make my hair puff. Otherwise, the hair will lay down flat. So, I use that, and I also use some bobby pin to pin down some hair because some strand of hair was too long, and I wanted like a puff puff, not like a flat puff, if you know what I mean. So yeah, and then it will be it, and that's the look you can do with like leftover hair. And yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below your thought about this hairstyle. And if you like I know we're quarantine, but if you like to try this hairstyle, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Say, baby, I love you.